Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the VTUIFBT 2 set desk mount for flight sim HOTAS. Designed to elevate your flight simulation experience to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned flight simmer or just getting into the hobby, this desk mount promises stability, comfort, and versatility for almost any HOTAS setup. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This desk mount is built to support a wide range of flight simulator hand controls. Even handbrakes like this and various SOL R series are supported. This means you won't have to worry about whether your flight gear will fit, making it a versatile solution for almost any cockpit setup. One of the standout features is the dual mount system. The package includes two separate mounting units, one for your throttle and one for your joystick. This allows you to position each component independently, giving you a more realistic and immersive cockpit experience. You can place the throttle and joystick exactly where you need them, replicating real aircraft ergonomics for hours of comfortable flight simulation. Installation is straightforward thanks to the secure desk attachment mechanism. The mounts clamp firmly to your desk, ensuring stability during intense flight sessions. Even when performing rapid maneuvers or aggressive inputs, these mounts hold your equipment firmly in place, so you won't experience wobbling or unwanted movement. The adjustable design is another highlight. Each mount can be repositioned and tilted, allowing you to customize the height, angle, and distance of your controls. This adaptability ensures that whether you're flying a fighter jet or a commercial airliner, your setup feels natural and ergonomic. Long gaming sessions won't lead to discomfort, which is a key consideration for serious flight sim enthusiasts. Durability is built into this desk mount. The frame is made from heavy-duty metal, and the mounting hardware is robust and reliable. This ensures that your setup stays secure over time, even with repeated adjustments and heavy use. You're investing in a mount that's designed to last, giving you confidence in both performance and stability. The dimensions are practical as well. Each mount measures 13.78 by 9.06 by 3.54 inches and weighs just over 4.5 pounds. This provides a solid presence on your desk without being overly bulky, balancing sturdiness with convenience. The standard size fits most home setups, making it easy to integrate into your existing workspace. In summary, this desk mount is a versatile, durable, and adjustable solution for flight simulation enthusiasts. Its broad compatibility, dual mount design, secure desk attachment, and customizable positioning make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their flight sim experience. If you want precision, comfort, and stability for your setup, this desk mount delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're serious about flight simulation and want a setup that feels real, this desk mount is worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the latest gear.